For clog-free operation in inline trail, Krati has introduced Seine Cart technology, first time in India from DRTS USA. Along with irrigation water, bigger and smaller slate particles entering into the drip lateral through filtration unit. The bigger and heavy particles keep moving at the bottom layer of water, and lateral and light slate particles flow at upper layer of water because of right portion called Seine Cart at intail of dipper. Only light particles are entering into the dipper labyrinth, and because of troubleness created into the labyrinth, the light particles always keep moving and finally come out along with drop of water, which avoids the closing of dipper. In case of normal round dipper available in the market, bigger and heavy particles entering into lateral through filtration unit gets entered into the dipper labyrinth. Initially, there will be not the problem to dipper discharge, but over a period of time, bigger and heavy silt particles starts depositing into dipper labyrinth, which will not move into dipper labyrinth because of troubleness of water, and day by day particles keep depositing and become a bigger and hard particles because of a salt available in a irrigation water. Even through acid treatment is given, the hard particles will not get dissolved and dipper remain closed condition and no irrigation water will ooze out.